Hi, today we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace the gaskets for our solution water bottle connectors. And over time, these gaskets will become depressed and wore out, and they have to be changed out just periodically. It's nothing big to do at all. Go ahead and we'll shut our pressure off to the water bottle. And I do have a water bottle hookup, a threaded water bottle hookup housing here that it's the same one that's on the cart, but for demonstration purposes we'll go ahead and we'll show you how we're going to remove this used one out of this unit so that you can see. By using an Explorer, we're just going to reach underneath that gasket and start to loosen it. And that's the old one. And the new one here, we'll just go ahead and slide that up on there as well. And with your Explorer, you want to get one end down in there so you can push it back underneath the lip, and then just kind of work it around. And getting it seated very nicely down in there. Just like so. Then you'd replace the water bottle back onto this threaded hookup, and away you go.